Welcome back to the channel Autoland, and today we bring you the exciting details of the 2026 Turbo Trail motorcycle, a machine built for riders who crave adventure, performance, and style all in one. This motorcycle is designed to dominate any terrain, whether you are cruising through the city streets or tackling challenging off-road trails. The 2026 Turbo Trail motorcycle combines modern engineering with rugged durability, making it the perfect choice for both professional riders and adventure enthusiasts. Powered by a high-performance turbocharged engine, it delivers impressive acceleration, smooth power delivery, and outstanding torque, ensuring you have the strength to handle steep climbs and rough paths without breaking a sweat. The suspension system is one of its biggest strengths, offering long travel and advanced damping technology to absorb shocks and bumps with ease. Whether you're riding on rocky mountain trails, muddy tracks, or sandy dunes, this bike maintains exceptional stability and comfort. The lightweight yet strong frame is engineered for precision handling, allowing you to maneuver through tight corners and unpredictable paths with confidence. The 2026 Turbo Trail motorcycle also features advanced braking systems with dual-disc brakes and ABS technology, giving you maximum control in all conditions. In terms of design, the bike blends aggressive styling with aerodynamic efficiency. Its muscular fuel tank, sharp LED headlights, and high ground clearance give it a commanding road presence. The wide handlebars and comfortable seat position ensure you can ride for hours without fatigue, while the digital display keeps all essential information at your fingertips, including speed, gear position, fuel range, and navigation. Riders will also appreciate its smart connectivity features, allowing integration with smartphones for GPS, calls, and music controls on the go. Fuel efficiency has not been compromised despite its turbocharged power, thanks to advanced fuel injection systems and eco-ride modes that adjust performance for longer trips. The bike's off-road capabilities are further enhanced by rugged tires with deep treads, providing superior grip and traction in all weather conditions. This makes it equally capable of handling urban commutes, weekend trail adventures, and cross-country touring. The 2026 Turbo Trail motorcycle stands as a symbol of innovation and freedom, built for those who seek the thrill of exploring beyond the limits. With its combination of power, technology, and comfort, it delivers an unforgettable riding experience that leaves you wanting more every time you twist the throttle. Whether you are a seasoned rider looking for your next big upgrade or a newcomer ready to dive into the world of adventure motorcycling, this bike offers everything you could possibly need. From its robust build to its futuristic features, it represents the next generation of motorcycles, ready to take on any challenge the road, or lack of it, throws your way. So gear up, get ready, and let the 2026 Turbo Trail motorcycle be your ticket to endless journeys and unforgettable memories. I see you in the next video.